Can you do that? Yeah, good boy. Get it, sweetie. Good boy. Look, it's over here. Ooh. Uh-huh. Are you in your car? Good boy. Good boy. You're doing it. Yeah. You're doing it. Wow, look at you go. Are kind of winding down, but still. You're still burping too. Of course, this is the position to get it out, boy. Oh yeah. Wow, look at you go. Woohoo! That butt in the air, boy. Yeah, good boy. Wow. I think we're going to have a face plant here in a second. Yep. He's trying to walk. He's not trying to crawl. He's trying to get up on his feet and walk. He's like, if only I had my basketball here so that I could prop myself up. Yeah. And as you notice, he is not moving backwards much. Good boy. Hey, you.
Yeah. Hi. Say hi, James. Hi, everybody. It's almost there. We have been spotted going forward. We're just not going to do it on camera. Haha. You're silly, Mommy. We can't get that on camera. No, we can't. Yeah, you. Hi. Yeah. I know you see that camera. You want that camera, don't you? You see that camera and you want it. You see that camera and you want it.
We do like to crawl in circles, though. Huh? Go on. Ooh, the ball's in a bowl. It's a whole new ball. There's your pounding ball. Do you want to pound the ball? The pounding ball. Pound that ball, boy. You like the pounding ball. Yes, you do. Alright, sweetie. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Yep, see, he went forward a little bit. Just a little bit, but he's not going back. Of course, one does have to vent one's frustration. Yeah, keep going, sweetheart.
Oh, hi. What's that? What is that? Oh. Well, he's got different angles, doesn't he? Yes, he does. Hi. Say hi. And don't throw up. Oh, poor little guy. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh, hi. Oh. Yeah. Come on, boy.